AIDS Council sebazi guru rinoona nezvekudzivirirwa kwechirwere cheHIV vakaona zvakakodzera kuenda nechirongwa chekupiwa kwemakondomu, self-testing kits nezvimwewo kumigodhi yegoridhe nekuda kwekuti ndiko kunoenda vasikana vanotengesa bonde.
The response has been very positive. Most of the minors really appreciate the program, especially the fact that they are all away from home, away from health services and so on. So as we come in with this program, most of them they really appreciate, they ask questions, they present their issues. We assist wherever possible. At times we even refer services whenever there is need. I would say overall they are quite appreciative of the program.
I wanted to find out which HIV service is most popular one, which people around this area are taking.
The most popular services are HIV testing. Most people want to know about their status, their HIV status. So HIV testing is one of the most popular. When people see us moving about in the program vehicle, they will stop and ask, do you have the test kits so that we get tested? We have even moved now a step further to say, well, we might not test people on site. So we work hand in hand with the Ministry of Health. So we at times get some test kits, we bring them closer to them so that they can actually test themselves. Once they've tested, then they can seek for other services if need be. And then the other services that people are really interested in is condoms for HIV prevention. Most people really need this. Remember, like I said earlier, they are away from home. Some might have some needs that they need to address. So we always issue out condoms at each and every site. Most of the times we have a time when we distribute. At times we distributors can test and deliver condoms so that at least everyone who needs them can actually access.
Do you happen to have a number for condom distribution in your district?
The statistics, yes, but not offhand. Only I'd referred. But on average, each and every month as we move out, we distribute more than 10,000 male condoms. Female condoms are not very popular in most of our communities. So at times we will get maybe about 2,000 or less have been distributed. But I'm talking about the condoms that we distribute as an organization. Then what happens is at the end of each and every month, data is collected from all our health facilities to check on how many have been distributed as per the site, and then we come up with a consolidated total. This is done by our Ministry of Health. So from the reports that we get from the Ministry of Health, per month we can get as many as around 40,000, on average 40,000 male condoms have been distributed at our health centers. And then for the female condoms, it's very low most of the times. 2,000, 3,000, thereabout, or less most of the times it's less.
We are chipinda muno mukamba ndakapinda 2005 ndishanda pano kusati pakura pano pamai kusvikira pakura pakazoti pobuda paipa pakatanga kuvhara vanhu vamwe vakafa toziona kuti vamwe vakapera kufa ndopatanga kuti rubatsiro rwekutarirwa anotorwa ropa kuita chichi asi ini ndanga ndichitya ndikazopinda mukati menyaya yakaita saiyo pakauya mota ndikatorwa nokuzeni ndikatorwa ropa ndikanoende kuchipatara kudambuzi ndikatya kuti ndoita sei. Ndakazoti ndakukorirwa nechirwere ndobva ndati aregai ndiende ndingatofa nekuti mudumbu wandiri kunzwa wayo hausi kupera kutonzi tsenga mashizha akadai tsenga mupano wakadai zvikagona. Ndobva ndaenda ndikaenda kuchipatara kuya kanosvika vakandibvunza kuti iwewe wakabatwa wakatorwa ropa kudhara ukanzi utevere kuchipatara sei usina kuuya. Ndikati aiwa ndanga ndichitya. Zvikanzi alright chiendai Bulawayo. Bulawayo handina mari. Zvikanzi maiti kuita sei. Ndikati ndipe hangu mapiritsi iwo anonzi anomwiwa nobatsirwa. Akati aiwa hatikupi mapiritsi musati maenda kunotarirwa. Unofanira kutarirwa kuti pakupi pamwe tikupai mapiritsi anokuzokurwadzai futi. Ndikati aiwa ndipei zvakangofanana zvandinowa nezvandichawa. Ndobva vandipa. Saka panapa vanga vachingouyawo vachiuya vachipinda. Ndikazotoona mukomana kupinda achirwara futi achiita saizvo chienda kuchipatara achiramba. Enda unozvitaurira akachiramba. Paakazoenda ndokubva adi. Iye zvino ukamuona kuti ndiye mukomana wacho anga achirwara unoramba. Wangoita sei ndingenda ndimona ndiri zidhudla. Ndafuta kwanzi mai vakafuta katike hai ndiyo avavo vakatibatsira.
Munoitei mumining uye basa rakaita sei? Tinoona vazhinji inzvimbo yakazara varume. Hamuna matambudziko amunombosanganawo nawo here ekusarudzwa kana kudzikisirwa nokuti muri mudzimai?
Hai, ipapapo ndinenge ndakuda kunyika kuti ndingati takasarudzwa kana tasasei tinotokudzwa unge isusu tisu varidzi vaimai asi tisiri varidzi vaimai. Kutoti havana mai vana gogo saisu vana gogo mama chichi havasati vatisarudza.
Zami eziningi ezazingafuni ukuya esibhedlela ngenxa yeprogramu le yokuhamba abantu befundisa. Nami sengikwazi ukuthi abafowethu ngibafundise ngendlela yokuthi ngambona ephathekile emzimbeni sengimqhuba ngihambela esibhedlela ngimtshela impilo itholakala esibhedlela. Namhla iphilisi alisasabisi, iphilisi leselithwele impilo zabantu abaningi.
Makaita ngoshanda pano rini?
Ngasukusebenza 2017.
Okay. Reti yevanhu kunoku kumaini kunowanikwa vanhu vakawanda sei vanoita zvekutengesa bonde zvekutengesa muviri yavo?
Ai lapha mainayo
hakuna. Okay. But panomboita here zvekusarudzwa paimboita here zvekusarudzwa kuma pakapinda kuti munofila kusarudzwa kana discrimination iwayo kuti uyu anonwa mapiritsi uyu haanwi mapiritsi pasati pawana dzidziso?
Aya azange sabubona.
In the mind in curbing the spread of HIV and AIDS?
Yeah, it helps a lot because as you can see now, before we having some problems. Too many people from outside, like for example here in Nigeria West, it's only men, not ladies. So they usually go out night clubs before, but since they implement this thing, and now everyone is aware. For example, I've got a wife in Cholocho, but let me stop going to somewhere else to save my life and my family. Through this program. Gentlemen, you have to protect yourself wherever you go. Because if you're a man, you have to do that.
Indeed.
Yeah.
So, you know that there's this, I know the mining sector is male dominated. Is there any discrimination for the females that work in this mine? Have you ever witnessed that?
For example, we do have these ladies.
How many are
we
there?
We accommodate everyone.
Okay.
Whether you're applying, we can accommodate you.
Okay. What kind of jobs will they be doing?
They are picking the stones from outside. They belt.
How many are they?
ladies.
The ladies, yeah.
There are 6, I think so.
I wanted to find out what are you as the mine manager doing to improve your employees or your workers' health?
Maybe after 2 to 3 months they go for checking.
Okay.
Since we are working in mining industry, too much dust. Yeah. So we used to take them to Scotland for checkups.
What's the distance?
From here to Scotland maybe 70 km. 70, I think so.
Okay.
So we transport them to that side.
So besides HIV and AIDS, which other diseases are they likely to contaminate?
To have
Yeah.
TB. Because it's mainly dust. So as long as you are in mining industry, most of the disease is dust. TB. Sorry. Because we are dealing with dust most everywhere. They are drilling. If they are drilling, there is dust. They are offloading that side, there is dust. So they have to go for checkup. 3 months, 4 months, checkup. 3 months, 4 months, checkup.
We know when there is a mining industry, most of the sex workers, they used to come where there is mining.
Yes.
Are you experiencing such cases here at this mine?
I'm not, because I'm very, very strict.
Okay.
Is the mine far away from shops or road?
It's about 10K. There is some shops here, but they close early.
Okay.
But there is a business center in Block. It's about 10K. So whoever wants to go, you go out to avoid noise. You know, if you came with a man, I also need a lady. You see, at the end you fight. That's how you avoid these things. You said if you want a lady, just go out. Because here we've got too many people. They will end up fighting over 2 ladies, 3 ladies. So it's better to go out.